I'm so sad.
Why?
Because I don't think Charity Week's happening. I have nothing to look forward to now.
Bro, are you on social media? They literally said it was on. Wait, let me show you.
Charity Week is one of John Fraser's largest events. A charity is chosen out of suggestions by students and staff, and for a whole week, the entire school community comes together to fundraise for the selected charity. Homerooms compete against each other through selling food and hosting amazing initiatives. In the past, some examples of what has been done at Charity Week include selling Popeyes, selling Krispy Kreme donuts, hosting an open gym for $2, and more. Although things look differently this year, Charity Week is still on. Running from May 17th to May 23rd, all homeroom classes are encouraged to participate in Charity Week by conducting virtual or COVID-safe activities. Teachers who don't have a Period 1 homeroom class can also conduct activities and raise money with their Period 2 class. As well as students who don't have a participating homeroom can conduct activities and fundraise with a group of other students or by themselves. Just make sure to email John Fraser Student Council at gmail.com by May 12th with the group that you are participating with.
This year's chosen charity is the Redwood, located in Toronto. In 1987, a group of neighbors were united by the same cause, the pressing need for a safe haven for abused women and their children in the Parkdale High Park community. Thanks to this incredible community effort, the Redwood welcomed their first family in December 1993. Families receive case management and counseling services from resident services counselors, access to empowering and life-changing programs, and transitional support when they are ready to take the steps towards a new life. The money that we raise together will go towards 24-hour support and shelter for women and children fleeing abuse, art and play therapy groups for children and toddlers, tutoring help and educational tools for youth and teens, employment training, job search help, and access to new job opportunities, helping with family and immigration legal issues, and assistance in finding and setting up an affordable new home. No one should live in fear. Let's come together, Jags, and help make a difference. Head over to our social media to read some of the impact stories from Redwood.
We know that coming up for fundraising ideas for Charity Week can definitely be challenging, so we've got a few suggestions to help you out. For example, you can always sell a service, whether that be homework passes or homework help, and a webinar where students can come to learn a new skill. You can also sell frozen or prepackaged foods, such as cookie dough or pizza. There are also various fundraising techniques you can use as well, like asking a family to donate $1 or $2 to the cause. If you ever want more ideas, or if you want to develop some ideas further, talk to your homeroom teacher about getting involved in a workshop happening all throughout next week. And don't forget that the homeroom that raises the most amount of money wins the infamous Charity Week trophy. So good luck, Jags, and may the best class win.